Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I hope you are doing great. I am Ali Yoweri as your instructor and tutor of IGCSE and O-Level. Before starting the lesson, please like my video and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to solve another paper of IGCSE. It is a real test paper. Please watch video to the end and like the video. Okay, let's start it and solve the paper. The first question, write down a prime number between 13 and 14. The prime number between 13 and 14 are 31 and 37. These two numbers are prime numbers that are between 13 and 14. Question number 2. 4 to the power of 5 minus 5 to the power of 4. We can calculate directly here by calculator. It's very easy. 5 to the power of 5 minus 5 to the power of 4. 399. This is the answer. And question number 3. Jason starts a run at 10:05 a.m. and finish at 1:20 p.m. Work out the time Jason takes to complete the run. We should calculate this one. To calculate this one, we should change the times to our 10 start actually from the journey or the path 10.5 and finish the 1 and 2 p.m. It means 1 o'clock and 2 minutes. This a.m. and this is p.m. We should change this to times to the 24 o'clock or 24 hours. Then we can subtract together. 1 2 is actually 13.2 a.m. But here is according to the 24 hours the same 10.05. We should subtract the time of starting the path or the journey from the finishing time. So here we convert we borrow 1 hour and convert to minutes. Actually 1 hour is 60. When we borrow here is 60 plus 2, 62 minutes. And here we remain 12 hours. Then we subtract. "12 minus 5" here remain 7, and here remains 5. We borrow 1 unit. Here 10, 12, here is 5, remain 5 minus 0, here remain 5. It's minute. And here we have 12, 2 minus 0, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 2 hours and 57 minutes. Here we have the answer 2 hours and 57 minutes. Then here there's question number 4. Calculate 1 minus 0.5 over 0.45 minus 0.38. First we subtract 0.5 from 1 here. Actually 1 is equal to 1.0. We subtract, and here we can say 1 minus 0.38 7. Remains 0.3 here in the numerator. The denominator also we subtract 0.45 minus 0.38. So the denominator is equal to 0.0. Here we'll write here 0.3 over 0.07. Then we multiply the numerator and denominator by 100, and the numerator change to convert to 30, then the denominator convert to 7. Then we can also convert to mixed fraction. 30 divided by 7, we have 4 as a whole number and 2 over 12 over 7. This is the answer. Here we divided 4 multiplied by 7, 28. We subtract here 2, then 30 over 4 is also the answer, or we can write 4 as a whole number and 2 over 7. This is the answer. Question number 5. Write 180 as a product of its prime factor. We divided 180 divided by 5, 36. 36 divided by 3, 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So these all the numbers are the prime numbers, or the prime factor of 180. Actually 2 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3, and multiplied by 5. This is the answer of question number 5. Okay, question number 6. Work out 3 over 7 minus 2 over 21. You must show all your work and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 3 over 7 we convert to equivalent fraction. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. Because the denominators are the same, we take one of them, 21. Then 9 minus 2 equal to 7 over 21. Then we can cancel 1, 7, 3 sevens is 21. So the answer is 1 over 3. This is the answer. Question number 7 is equal to 1 over 2a t square. Work out the value of is when a is 0.9 and t is equal to 4. So the formula we have is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by a. Instead of a we substitute by 0.9 because it's price or value given, and t is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 square. Then we calculate here 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 0.9 equal to 7.2. Okay, the part B, rearrange the formula to find the t in the term of s and a. We have here t square is equal to, we multiply both sides by 2. I want to calculate this one here. Okay, we have is equal to 1 over 2 a t square. We divided both sides by 1 over 2a. 1 over 2a. Here remain t square equal to, here is directly cancelled, just remain t square, and here we have is over 1 over 2a. Then we have t square is equal to the fraction goes up to here 2 is over a. Then we take square root from both sides, and here t is equal to the square root of 2 is over a. This is the answer. Also we can say plus or minus. Question number 8. Factorize completely 14xy minus 7y square. We take 7y from both terms, and when we take from the first term 7y remains 14 divided by 7 remains 2, and x minus 7 we take when we take one of the y, just only remain y. So the answer is 7y multiplied by 2x minus y. Question number 9. Find the answer term of the question. Here we should first find the differential between two terms. First we subtract here 17 minus 22. This is actually the d, or the difference between two terms. Remaining here is minus 5. Also we subtract 12 minus 17 minus 17. I mean minus 5. So the difference between two terms, or two, in the last term we have 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3, and the last term is here minus 3. Part B. Find the n term of the sequence. Actually it's arithmetic progression. We have the formula like this. This is the formula. An is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, or difference. So n is equal to a1. Here we have 22. Here this a1 for the first term, 22 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. The difference between two terms is minus 5. We simplify. N is equal to 22, and we multiply minus 5n minus multiplied by minus plus 5. Then we simplify. N is equal to 22 plus 527 minus 5, and this is the formula, or the n term. Here minus 27 minus 5n. And question number 10. The interior angle of a pentagon are in the ratio 4, 5, 5, 7, 9. Find the size of the largest angle. We should find the largest angle for this pentagon. As you know that a pentagon has 5 angles on 5 sides. The whole of the ratio when we collect them is 13. For example, 4 plus here 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. When we collect or add together these ratio, 5 plus 5 10 plus 4 14 plus 4 7 21 plus 9 13. This we have 13 because the largest ratio we have 9 over 13 multiplied by the sum of the angle of this pentagon. We have formula the total of angle for the pentagon n minus 2 multiplied by 180 is according to this formula, because n is 5 is pentagon 5, sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Then we simplify this one. 0 multiplied by 0, 1, 3. 3 times of 3 is 9. So 3 multiplied by 18, actually 50. 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2, 3. So 3 times of 4, 12. We have 1. 3 times of 5, 15 plus 1, 16, 162. This is the answer. Here we have. This is the largest angle this pentagon has. And question number 11. Work out 2 times of 10 to the power 100 minus 2 to the multiplied by 10 to the power of 98. First, we convert these two numbers to the same, because here it is different. We first should convert and change the same. Okay, there we have 2 times of 10 to the power of 100 minus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 98. First, we convert and make equal to multiplied by 10 to the power of 100 minus here we can multiply the same times and divide. 2 multiplies to the 10 to the power of minus 2 and multiplied by 10 to the power of plus 2 by 10 to the power of 98. This is 98 actually. Yes, after that we have 2 times of 10 to the power of 100 minus to the power of, actually we can here convert 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 over 100, and then it is equal to 0.02. Here we have 0.02, and here is the base the same. We add the power exponent together. 10 to the power of 2 plus 98 is 100. Then we subtract 2 minus 0.0, 1.98, and we take one of the exponent, 10 to the power of 100. This is the answer of this part, 1.98 times of 10 to the power of 100. Question number 12. 4 to the power of x equal to 1 over 64. Find the value of x. So this is very easy. We can say 4 to the power of x equal to 1 over 64. Then we can 4 equal to the power of x. Instead of 64, we can write 4 to the power of minus 3. Because here is the base is equal, we can directly make equal x to minus 3, because when the bases are equal, the exponent are also the same. Question number 13. Describe the full single transformation that maps a triangle T onto triangle P. It gives us the triangle of T and the translation of that the triangle of P. So if you describe the enlargement, because it is actually enlarged by the scale factor of 1 over 2. How we can find this number? Because if you measure one side, this sides of this, the T is 4 and the P is 2. So when we actually divide 2 equal to divided by 4, 1 over 2, because it is both sides of the center, the sign is negative, but the center is about 4 and 4. So the enlargement by scale factor is minus 1 over 2 about the center 4 and 4, because here is the horizontal axis 4 and the vertical axis line y is 4. This is the center, and the scale factor is 1 over 2, 1 over 2, because we can find 2 divided by 4. So next part, find the radius of a hemisphere of volume 18 cube centimeter in the term of pi. The volume V of a sphere with radius R is equal to V equal to 4 over 3 pi R cube. Here we have hemisphere because actually the half of a sphere, and instead of half we multiply by 2 times, we find the volume of a sphere completely. We multiply is half of the sphere, the volume of the sphere multiplied by 2 equal to the formula 4 over 3 pi R cube. Then we simplify. Actually 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 6 divided by, if it's a little complicated, I explain and solve here. So the half or 1 over 2 of the volume is actually, total volume is 4 over 3 pi R cube. Here it is equal to 18 cube centimeter. We simplify this 1, 2 times of 2 is 2 over 3 pi R cube is equal to 18 centimeter. Then we calculate and find the value of R cube is equal to, we multiply 3 by 18 and divided by 2 pi. Then we simplify 1, 2 and 4 times of 2 is 8. So here R cube is equal to 3 times of 4, 120 divided by pi. We take cube root from both sides, and here remain, it is the cube of 120 divided by pi. This answer we can use and find by calculator. The answer is 3.37. And question number 15. Question number 15 here, given us a circle with some inscribed angle. A, B, C, D are points are in a circle. TU is a tangent to the circle at D. This TU, this actually is a tangent. D is a parallel to CB. D is a parallel line to CB. These two lines parallel together. You should find the value of X and Y. First, we can find the value of X. Sorry. How we can find the value of X? X is equal to directly the 38 degree, because X and 38, both the angles are against the same arc. CD is an arc actually. This is the angle between a tangent and a chart, and X is an inscribed angle. These two angles are the same of the arc, so these two are the same. X is directly, we can write here 38 degrees. How we can find the value of Y? Here is Y. Actually, Y is first, we according to these two lines parallel, when X is 38 degree, we can write directly here is this the C is actually, or ACB is, this angle is also 38 degree. But how we can find the value of B? Because this degree is 60 is 2 times of that. 2 times of 60 is 120. I want to solve here and give a little explanation. Because here is the inscribed angle is 60, but this arc is 2 times of that. 2 times of 60, it means 60 multiplied by 2, 120. It means this part is this arc between A to C is 120 degrees. This is actually the value of arc A to C. This is an arc. But the complete arc of a circle is 360, and we subtract here. We can write here from CDA, this arc is equal to 360 minus this part here, minus 120. So CDA is equal to 240 degrees. When subtract 360 and 120, when subtract this together, remain 240. The angle of B is against this arc, it's a half of that. So B is equal to 1 over 2, 240, and we simplify it here. So the value of B is 120 degree. We can write here 120 degrees. Then how we can find the value of Y? Because the total degree of a triangular is 180. We can write here Y is equal to 180 minus this triangle, 38 plus 120. So 180 minus 8 plus 0, 8, and 3 plus 2, 5. 1 here remain 22 degrees. This is the answer of Y. Okay, dear students, I think it's enough for this video, and the rest of the lesson, please watch the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If it's helpful, please write a beautiful comment for me and support my channel. Thank you. I will explain the next part of this paper, the next video. Thank you for watching.